Any areas in our house, buildings, and industries that we like to work, will need an electrical lighting installation for better light during darkness hours. This is the short tutorial of an electrical installation of one light bulb with single switch. The different steps on how to install a single switch with one light bulb on line to ground single-phase supply. Number 1. Make a plan where the light bulb and switch to be installed. Number 2. Decide how many watts is your light bulb to be installed on a specific voltage supply of the certain area. If you think that maybe you like a 1000 watts light bulb on 220 volts power supply, then you can start now any electrical calculation. Number 3. Calculate the breaker design on how much rated amperes including the wire size that you need. On engineering calculation formulas for AC single phase. To find a load current is equal to watts divided by volts. So, 1000 watts divided by 220 volts is 4.5 amperes. If you like to install a breaker protection in the circuit must be 125% from a single-phase load current. You have now a breaker size calculation on single-phase supply by means of 4.5 amperes total load current was multiplied by 125% or 1.25 is equal to 5.7 amperes, or, round off to 6 amperes. Meaning that your circuit breaker protection is 6 amperes and the wire size is 1 mm² based on electrical wire sizing chart with their respective breaker recommendation. Number 4. You can now prepare all other materials that you need for this electrical installation based on sizes and design, including tools to be used, as well as PPE, or personal protective equipment. Number 5. Before you start this installation, you must switch off any existing power source if it is an additional installation to avoid electric shock. Number 6. Plan where to install the circuit breaker, switch, and light bulbs so that you can estimate how long is the wire to be used. Number 7. Start to connect the ground wire from breaker to outer shell terminal of the light bulb. Then, connect the wire on other remaining terminal of the light bulb going to the one terminal of the switch. And connect also the last wire from remaining terminal of the switch going to the live terminal of the circuit breaker. Number 8. Make a final checking of all electrical connection to make sure that it was correct according to the standard wiring and design. Please do not power on your electrical installation if you are still not sure of your connection. You can always consult and ask help to any well-trained electrician to inspect, or, to do the electrical installation if you are still doubt on your electrical installation. Number 9. You can now energize the circuit of this electrical installation and test if it is working or not, if everything 100% sure, and correct installation that you made. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel, Knowledge Link Information.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging